What is going on today, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Fix It Garage. We're back, guys. Sorry there hasn't been any videos. It's been a little challenging lately, actually, which I'll go into very shortly. Today, it's finally time to reveal the secret project. I've been teasing it now for a couple weeks. It is now time to actually reveal it today. Actually, we've got a few secrets to reveal. The first one being that this weekend, or if you're watching this, the next video is actually gonna be back at the autocross track. And we're making a change for the next autocross event. We're not gonna have 1, 2, but we got 3 cameras this time. That's right, guys. We got 3 cameras for this event. I've got 2 for the car and 1 that's gonna be put on the gimbal, and you're gonna be able to film from the outside, so I finally can bring you guys those outside car views that I've wanted to bring you so much. So that's the first surprise. It's another GoPro. I'm actually recording on it right now. The one I'm looking at right now is the GoPro Hero 9, and over here we have our Hero 8. And then over there we have the 7. I won't go over to it because it's not mic'd up, so it's not gonna be as good with sound quality. But yeah, we have a 7, we have an 8, and we have a 9. I picked it up the other day. I really wanna have some outside car views, so we made it happen for you guys, and for me. So that was surprise 1. Surprise 2 is also related to the track day, which I'm gonna show you guys right now. So the next surprise is we're gonna be running a new tire this weekend. We picked up some Falcon Azeni RT660s. Back in the day when I used to go to the track, I used to run the R615Ks, the ones with the crazy like design. They looked really cool and they actually had a lot of grip. So we've got these RT660s mounted on some stock STI wheels. These were originally gonna be my winter wheels, but right now I could afford to buy tires, not wheels, so we went ahead and we picked up the tires. We'll switch them onto the race wheels when we can actually afford to buy them. But that's what we're gonna be running here. It's a 200 tread wear. It's 7/32 deep, brand new. There's only one problem right now. I only have 3 tires. I'm missing the 4th one at the time of recording this. These showed up the day before I recorded. I was supposed to have the 4th one today. It didn't show up. And I leave in a day and a half from this recording. When you guys are watching it, I'm actually on the road headed up to Olympia. So yeah, fingers crossed the last one shows up tomorrow so I can actually finish and have these for the weekend. Otherwise, we're gonna run the all seasons. Not gonna throw any names out there for who's messed up the shipping, but yeah, it's just not a great situation. So that's the tires, guys. That's the last of these surprises before we go autocrossing, as far as the race stuff is concerned. That's the first 2 surprises. The third one is obviously the one right behind me. That is the next Fix It Garage project. That's what the Subaru engine is going in. Now, any of my keen eye viewers can probably already tell what it is. Most people are pretty smart and can figure out what it is just by looking at it. It's got a very distinct shape. That being said though, some of you may not. So this may be a surprise to you, which I'm really excited for because I'm really excited for this project. And honestly, I'm tired of talking about it. Why don't we just go ahead and pull the tarps off and we'll show you guys what it is. All right, guys, I think all of you have waited long enough. I think you're all ready to see the new secret Fix It Garage project. I hope you guys are all as ready as I am. Ready, guys? In 3, 2, 1. It's a 1971 Volkswagen Super Beetle. It's a very rough around the edges 71 Super Beetle. This is probably gonna hurt the feelings of any of my air-cooled Volkswagen friends, and I'm sorry, not sorry. This isn't my car, this is a friend's car, and this is a project that he wants to do. He wants a fuel-injected Bug so he can drive it around a little more often. Plus he likes Subaru engines, so we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna make them become one thing. We're gonna call this Project Bugaru. Now, a lot of people that do this swap call it a Bugaru. So it's a fairly common name. If you guys have a better one, let me know down below. I'd love to use something a little bit different if you guys got something a little more clever. Timeline for this project, hopefully it goes together fairly quickly. I've got parts on the way already that I need to get this car done. We've got an adapter plate for the clutch already on the way. We've got the motor mount bracket already here, which I'll show you guys in the next video. So, next video. I am super excited for this project and I cannot wait to bring you guys along on the way. We're gonna do everything. We're gonna get the engine in, we're gonna build our own harness, we're gonna get a cooling system, a fuel system, and a throttle cable, and we're gonna get it all to run on the stock Subaru wiring and ECU. It's gonna be a little bit of a crazy project though. There's a lot of stuff that I've really never done before. But you know what? It's the perfect time to learn. So between my knowledge as a mechanic and a few other places for research, I think I can make this come to life pretty much all on my own. Now, we're putting it in this, but that's not the only thing that's gonna be happening to this car. This car eventually is gonna get a bunch more stuff done to it. When I have that rendering of what the owner wants it to look like, I cannot wait to show you guys what his plans are for this car. I hope that you guys are as impressed with this build as I am as it all comes together. Lots of crazy things ahead. First though, the first thing we gotta do is we gotta get that old engine out. It's got the old air-cooled motor in it, so the first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna start pulling that engine out in the next video. Hopefully get it all out, we'll see. Also start taking the back and pulling the fenders and all that stuff off to make it a little bit easier to get that new engine inside the car. Right now, we're in the prep phase. We gotta get it all torn apart. We gotta get it ready for that Subaru engine to go inside. You guys are not going to want to miss this. I promise. This is going to be a cool project. Yes, it's been done before, but there's not that many of them around here. And there are not any that are gonna be quite as unique as this one is when it's all done. Can't wait to show you guys what we have in store for you. I'll be honest, it's kind of weird with having a car in here where the engine's back here. So, when it comes time to work, we're obviously gonna flip this thing around so we can work on it close to the engine and have more light. But it's kind of weird having a rear engine car inside this shop. We normally work on Japanese stuff. So this is gonna be a whole new experience, guys. I hope that you guys are really as excited as I am. I'm genuinely looking forward to this project. This is going to be one of my favorite projects of 2021, I think. And trust me when I say I've got a few things lined up. We made a few deals recently, I've got a few projects lined up, and a few cool videos I'll be making for you guys. Can't wait to show you guys what we have in store. 2021 may be off to a start when it comes to dealing with this thing right now, but when it comes to projects like this, oh baby, we are rocking and rolling right now. I can't wait to show you guys everything. Stick around, guys. You're not gonna wanna miss any of this car. So if you like what you guys saw and you're impressed with this project, please remember to smash that like button. Leave comments down below. Did this surprise you, or was it really obvious when you saw the tarps? Let me know. I really am curious to see what you guys kind of thought. If you can think of a better name than Project Bugaru, let me know. I'd love to have some different ideas. If we can think of something a little more catchy that might catch more people's interest, please let me know down below. And as always, if you guys don't want to miss any of this crazy project, remember to subscribe and turn on those post notifications. If you guys want a sneak peek, make sure to go check out my Instagram and my Facebook page. There'll be all kinds of sneak peeks posted. The links are down below. But that is gonna do it for today, guys. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.